Today I'm gonna show you how to make this sound. For the past couple of weeks, I spent decent time working on mid-tempo sounds. I analyzed a lot of tracks in that genre and put the things I learned into Serum sounds, exactly to this pack. So I thought, hey, why not teach you guys what I learned? So today I'm starting a new tutorial series on mid-tempo sounds. So keep your serums ready and let's get started. And you know, I always recommend checking out my packs and sounds, and I do recommend this time as well. First of all, I am going to show you how to make Rezz basses, and then we'll jump into other inspired artist sounds. In Serum, there's a particular distortion type called downsample. If you go to effects section, turn on distortion, you can click here and choose downsample, and what it does basically is it turns your sound into Rezz sound. It's that simple. I don't know if you have noticed, but Rezz uses pretty simple sounds sometimes. This is a main edge drop bass, and you may think that this bass is pretty simple, but I spent like 20 minutes polishing the sound and making it sound the same. So it takes some time to polish a sound. First of all, I'm going to show you what this bass consists of. So we have oscillator A, and this is just a saw wave. We have two main automations. We have LFO1 and LFO2 is pretty similar. This one is going to mix of the distortion. So I'm going to show you what this sounds like without any effects. It is just a dark, as you can see on the spectrum here, saw wave. When we add distortion, it starts to sound like Rezz. The more of a drive, the more opens the high pass filter, and you get some mid-high frequencies and mid as well. So another thing is a hyper dimension, adding a little bit of the dimension. What?
So the next donation, which is...
What is going on? Another thing is a dimension that adds a little bit of the width to the sound. Another one is filter. That adds this kind of human element of a human voice. And then we have multi-band compression, delay and reverb. Another thing is a EQ with this kind of movement. Yeah. So let's open a new initial preset, and first of all what we'll do making a sound is to turn on this mono, so our frequencies. As you can see, when you play very low notes together, these are just collide. So to make sure that it doesn't collide, just turn on mono. So first of all, we need a low pass filter. So now let's add the distortion. Downsample, and it already sounds good. You can mess with this drive knob, a little bit of the width. I don't want the distortion to affect this thing. And then we will add a multi-band compressor. As you can see, I'm boosting these frequencies pretty strong because I feel like this sounds more beefy when I boost these frequencies. Like they sound weak right now. When I boost these frequencies, that's real beef. Oh yeah, the filter movement. We can put this LFO onto the cutoff. Make this twice as fast. Maybe on the level of this guy as well. We hear these high frequencies of the downsample thing all the time, so what I would do is adding LFO on the mix. And then what I'm gonna do is add the same thing I did before. I'm going to add these filter types, automate the frequency, like wow wow thing. And on another one, I'm gonna do the same thing, but to the opposite. It's like yay, 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 yay right now. Yeah, we're still missing some dynamics. Maybe here. Yeah, from here, I would recommend just switching wavetables to achieve different sounds. Oh, the sub oscillator. Oh, that was cool. Pretty weird. Downsample distortion is the answer. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, see ya in the next one.